Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna deck out my iPhone 13 mini. And this is in the midnight version. I absolutely love this color. As you can see from here, it's not really black. It's more like a really dark blue. And I love it, and it's awesome. I don't wanna damage my phone. I already have a few nicks in it. I don't know what it is about the 13 minis that maybe the glass is a little bit more fragile than other iPhone glasses, like my 11 Pro Max that I'm filming on right now has never scratched so easily. This one has been scratched a few times. I've dropped it a few times because there's a bit of a learning curve having this small, tiny phone. But I absolutely love the mini because it just disappears. I'm not one to hold my phone up a lot and talk on the phone. So as far as like having this big Frisbee up to my ear, doesn't really bother me too much because I always use my AirPods. But anyway, I wanted to make the phone more unique to me because I have been seeing quite a few of these floating around now. And so what I did was, I have a new tempered glass for it from Dbrand. We're gonna install that. And then we're going to install my custom skin from Dbrand as well. So I got the multicam with the gold around the edge. So I think it's gonna make this phone look so sick, really unique to me. And you know, if somebody else has that combination, that's fine, but it's not gonna be tons of people. And so that's what we're gonna do. I also do have a leather case for this and for when I'm at work or, you know, whatever, but I don't generally like to have this in the case. I've had it out of the case since I got it, and I've had it for 3 weeks now. Now, I like to keep it simple. And so I really don't have a ton of apps on my screen in my phone. So it's kind of like just how I keep my home screen really nice and clean. There's my app screen. And I don't keep a ton of apps everywhere, and that's kind of how I roll. But if you guys want to see how I have my phone set up, let me know in the comments and I'll do that, because I have this thing completely decked out to, like, you know, the iOS 15. There's a lot of features you could do within the phone to protect your battery life, all kinds of stuff. And if you want to see a month review with the phone, that's going to be coming up too, because I've been had the phone for about a month now. And I'll let you guys know how I think about the iPhone 13s. And so far, I'll tell you right now, I love it. It's just a beast of a phone. I love how small it is, disappears in the pocket, but it's very fragile. So let's get started and install the tempered glass first. Is the new skin. We got alcohol wipe. Actually came with a couple of stickers too that are pretty cool. You can see them there. And a really nice case, actually. Like, came really nice packaged very nicely. So first thing we do, we clean off this front screen, which I already did a few times. And you get your microfiber towel. You want to do that pretty quick because you'll end up with streaks if you don't do that fast. You know, you don't want to put your screen protector over streaks because it really looks like crap after that. So I think that looks pretty good. Perfect. Okay. Get some of the dust off there. Now, this is super easy to do. You're just gonna hold it by the ends. And it gives you these ends. You're gonna line it up with your phone notch there. And that's pretty much all you do. It's really simple. Just wanna make sure there's no dust on it. And peel this off. glass on there. Just kind of squeegee that. Looks like I got myself a piece of dirt in there or something, but I don't really care that much. As long as it protects my screen from getting scratched. You just kind of work them air bubbles out of the side, guys. That out a little bit more. Get that nice and flat. I got that on there pretty dead even. And it did come with a second, so it comes with two. In case you're wondering, just squeegee that in there. There you go. There's your screen protector for the iPhone 13 mini. Okay, now that I have the screen protector installed, looks pretty good. I'm happy with it, nice and even. Can still see those scratches that were underneath the screen, but you know, I'll probably keep this phone for a few months and then trade it and get another one if it gets too damaged. Now I have my skin for the outer edge of the phone, the back of the phone, the camera notch, which I got in hexagon. So I got hexagon for the back camera. I got black multicam for the back. Like, look how sick that looks. So one's for if I don't want to use the gold lay. Look at how sick that is gonna look. My phone is gonna look awesome. So it's gonna basically be like this. That's sick. Custom iPhone. I love it. All right, so first we're gonna start off with the camera. I have the oven preheating right now because you are supposed to stick it in the oven, your phone, to do this. I don't have a blow dryer, so we're gonna do it without one. I don't think you need a blow dryer to do this, so we are going to be really careful here getting this off. Always readjust to and kind of try to roll it off there. You don't want to just rip it because this stuff is really fragile and you'll just end up tearing. There's our skin there. Now we're gonna put our phone in the oven for a few minutes to bake that on there. I'm gonna just put my phone on this piece of wood, stick it in the oven. Yes, my phone is in the oven, just for a minute. Get that out of there. Pretty cool. Okay, next we're gonna do the full back screen, which is gonna be probably way more difficult to do. Clean this off. Wipe. Like to fold it. I just fold it like that. Line it up at the corners. How sick is that? All right, so far that looks really awesome. Last thing to put around it in gold. And that should look pretty sick as well. We'll just do one last little clean around the edges. Start at the bottom. Don't pull this, kind of roll it, do like a roll type of deal. And you want to start down here at your plugs. One side only has 2 holes here for the speaker, the other side has more. So make sure you have your holes all lined up. Your screws, holes and everything. Otherwise, your phone will sound like crap, because you'll be blocking some of the speakers. Sweet, that's it guys. So there's the finished product guys. I think it looks awesome. Unique towards me now. Carbon fiber yellow. Not sure how long I'm gonna stick with that. I do have the other skin here that I can make the whole thing that multicam if I want, which would look really, really sick. But I like to break it up a little bit. Gives it that custom look. I love the grip on it. It's nice and grippy now. And though it doesn't offer the phone any protection, it does help it from getting scratched and stuff like that on the screen and protect it. And it just gives it that customizability, you know, that custom look, that custom feel of the phone, that uniqueness of the phone. Like, this is my phone, this is my thing. Nobody else is really gonna have it. So I really like that. And then also, I do have a case for it that it's coming in. I don't have it yet, but if I want to put a case on there for extra protection, I can still do that, then take the case off and have this awesome custom phone. So looks sick. I love it. Keep it simple. If you guys want to see more content with the phone stuff and how I have my phone set up as far as like iOS 15 and what I did to make it so like just clean looking like this, let me know and I'll do a video on that. I'm also going to do an update video on how I feel about the iPhone 13 in the first month in using it, but you know, I do like it so far. But there are some things that, you know, probably would be better with the Max and the Pro Max. But you know, as for what I need it for, I love having this little phone in my hand. It just disappears in pretty much any pocket. You don't know it's there. It fits anywhere, even in your underwear. If you put your phone in your underwear, I don't know. I'm not judging, just saying. Anyways, let's move on. That's it. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you all.